What's up guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to fix the unable to connect to App Store error you are getting when trying to use the App Store app on your Mac. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. In most cases, this issue is related to your network connection, the App Store services, or your macOS version. First, navigate to the Apple System Status page. All links and more information will be provided in the description below. Here, make sure that the Mac App Store service is available. In case it's not available, then you will have to wait a few hours to make sure that the server is back online. If it's available, then make sure that you're using a reliable network connection. You can test this out by visiting other websites or using a speed testing tool. Next, click on the Apple icon on the top left of your screen and select Force Quit. On this window, select the App Store application and click on Force Quit again. This will make sure that no App Store tasks are running in the background. When this is done, open up your system settings. Click on your Apple ID username and make sure that you're signed in with the correct account. You may have to sign out of your account and sign back in. Next, under Network, make sure that your VPN connection is disabled, as this can cause connection issues to the Apple services. In your General Settings, click on Software Update. Here, make sure that your macOS version is up to date. Download the latest update before restarting your Mac. A system restart can, in a lot of cases, also help fix problems related to your App Store application. When this is done, head back to your General Settings and select Date and Time. Enable the Set the Date and Time automatically options. This will fix other potential App Store connection issues on your Mac. Lastly, in your System Settings, navigate to the Screen Time section. These settings might not look the same on your Mac as you're using an older macOS version. Here, disable downtime, app limits, as well as content and privacy restrictions. If your Apple device is connected to family sharing, then some of the parental restrictions might have been applied to your device. To prevent this from happening in the future, disable the Share Across Devices option below. This can also apply to iOS devices such as your iPhone. In case you have any further issues or problems following this tutorial, then I suggest following my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.